You give us space. Give us space. Even in the loop, wait, give us space. I'm going to appear. Council, come. We are here.
Because you said the way the place is contested, bringing them was
let them go. We have the case before here and we are going to answer.
No one has refused that we don't have the case. No one has refused.
just sitting behind me and then for them to
Then I don't want people there. I don't want people there. You find somewhere else to stand. You move from there.
Hey.
Clear that side.
Go speak. You move.
You go somewhere else to stand. Remove that
Bagaya. Hey, fund is here comes the owner. Give me my jacket.
one of the bags is here.
Is here. And the bag. And the bag. And the bag. Thank you.
No. For us, we know our safety.
My thing.
Yes. We are here because of this. And now the When you get out.
Sorry, I found it. I'm a journalist.
John, continue kwa no take kamera yangu mubaba. Ani abanda msa.
Jonah.
Wewe kutemu.
Wewe kwa sida.
Nakuita kwa nifumike kao.
Jonah teri Jonah gacho tumai. Simu yangu basi.
Bajibe. Koti babira. Kate.
One, Mugabe Silas. Mitala Chiragwa. Shakira. The second name? questions?
One and
Your worship, last time they are complaints of this. You have not informed me your complaint. A complaint? Yeah, yes, a complaint. All the victims and worship, I pray to hear from the lawyers of the accused person before you can deliver your own bail. Because today we were supposed to receive another.
Gavumenti asabye looya w'abavunaanibwa basooka beekottalira amakooti tenawansi kusalawo kwayo.
Previously, the state attorney had requested for another letter from Bowers Morin
Omuntu wa gavumenti omulundi ogwasembayo yasaba ebbaluwa
and
Mbabazi Morin
presented the same. We equally,
That is for Edso.
yes, paid to surety Bowers. And A2 had stated that he had 2 areas of residence and also requested for also another letter from the other area of residence which has been produced.
nani bw'obookubiri yategeeza kooti nti abeera mu bitundu bibiri eby'enjawulo era alese ebbaluwa endala eraga kitundu ekyokubiri gy'abeera.
And since we have satisfied the conditions which had been set, we are ready now to receive the bail ruling.
N'okuba bamaze okutuukiriza akapapula ekyokooti ke yateekawo naye tetuteeka omukono okusalawo kwa kooti.
And we stand on our prayers that we had earlier made
Akyali kusaba kwabwe kwe baasaba.
to grant the accused persons bail.
Tukkirize abavunaanibwa b'ebyo.
So pray. Maybe also on one of the issues that had arisen the other time was reconciliation, and steps were taken to reconcile the parties. And pray that since the parties have taken seriously the reconciliation bit of this matter, court bases on that basis exercise its discretion to grant the accused person's bail.
Has the reconciliation been concluded or it's a work in progress?
Your Worship, it has been concluded and additional statements have been recorded. And we can able state that the reconciliation has been a success.
Your Worship, in addition to that, on record, Council Andrew Wambi. Your Worship, we are here for 2 cases. One is pending ruling, the other
I am
is
handling one file at a go. Don't
Yeah.
replace me on 2 files.
much
So
of
we are
that
handling the
for
file
the,
where
for the ruling, but I wanted to,
So address
I
me on
would
that
like
file.
to address you on the issue of the reconciliation, Your Worship.
Yes.
Your Worship, the parties have decided to reconcile in this matter, and in the spirit of this honorable court under section 160 of the Magistrate Courts Act, having in mind of the nature of the offense, we would still ask court for guidance in that matter. The reconciliation was recorded, and the parties have forgiven each other. However, as I stated, being the nature of the offense, we need guidance from the Honorable Court. Your Worship, we are, however, ready for this bail ruling, and we pray that the same is granted.
Balaga nti okutabagana kwawedde, abavunaanibwa n'abavunaana beesonyiye, newankubadde nga additional statement zaakoleddwa, basabye kooti ebalungamye ku ki ekiddako. Era olwaliro omusango gubadde gujja kuwulira kusalawo kwa kooti era beetegefu okufuna.
Before I hear from the state, let me hear from each of the victims whether whatever has been submitted upon is true. Mr. Matovu, have you been approached? The process the lawyers are informing me about, was it with your consent? Are you in agreement with the process? Mr. Don Alex, is that the position? Is it true these people approached you?
Yeah, they approached.
Did you discuss willingly and did you agree with their terms?
I agree with that.
Ms. Kambianda, were you part of the process?
Yes.
Etsu, were you part of this process? And you agreed to meet with your complainants and you talked? procedure under the law of cases that can be reconciled upon. I advise the complainants, if they're not interested in further pursuing this matter, to liaise with the representative of the DPP, and the file is forwarded to the DPP for a possible withdrawal under the provisions of section 121 of the MCA. Considering the provisions of 160, I'm inclined to enter a reconciliation in this matter. However, I proceed to deliver my ruling on the bail application. Bail is premised on the presumption of innocence, and for court to grant or not to grant bail, it considers whether the accused persons have a fixed place of abode, and whether, if released, they will be able to return. 2 is whether the accused persons have provided sureties who are able and ready and willing and understand their duties to stand surety for the accused persons. A1 presented his biological mother, his brother, and a friend as sureties. There was no objection of the sureties of A1 by that state. I also find these sureties that were presented by A1 substantial. Enddulu presented his sister, biological, and 2 friends who have been friends with him for over 18 years. Though the state attorney objected to the sureties, I find them substantial. They are aware of their duties, and they also know the residence of the accused person, and they all reside within the same vicinity with the accused persons. I find the sureties for Enddulu also substantial. I also find that the sureties presented for both accused persons reside within the same locality, that is within Machinga division, and that is within this court's jurisdiction. I find that they will be able to perform their duties as sureties. In the circumstances, I allow the application for bail. However, considering the nature of the case the accused persons are facing, I am putting the following conditions that the accused persons must abide with. The conditions for bail is 1, each of the accused persons are released on cash bail of 1 million shillings. 2, the sureties are bonded at 5 million shillings each. Each of the sureties for each of the accused persons, not non-cash. 3, the accused persons are not allowed to leave the country without express permission of court. If they intend to leave the country, they have to seek permission of court. 4, the accused persons are warned from any interference with the victims or their workplace, whether verbally or through social media. As such attack, if proved, shall lead to automatic cancellation of bail. Those are the conditions for bail. If you meet the conditions above, the matter of confirmation, 13 January. That's ample time to conclude the processes.
Amateeka nga kirabika bulungi ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa nti temusobola kutabagana butabagani olw'ekika ky'emisango egibavunaanibwa, wabula abasabye mukwatagane n'omuwabi wa gavumenti okulaba nga emisango gino gibagibwako mu butongole ng'amateeka bwe gakirambika. Ku nsonga ya beiro, kkooti egambye nti kkooti bwe banga egenda oba okweyimirirwa etunuulira nti avunaanibwa alina ekifo eky'enkalakalira mwabeera, ajja kusobola okudda mu kkooti olunaku lwaba yeetaagibwa nga n'abayima baleese bagwanidde. Avunaanibwa asooka yaleeta maama we ng'omuyima, mukwano gwe ne muganda we omuwali wa gavumenti teyawakanya bayima abo, era kkooti nayo ekizudde nti baali bagwanidde okweyimirira. Omuvunaanibwa owokubiri yaleeta mwannyina n'emikwano gye ebiri, newankubadde ng'omuwali wa gavumenti yawakanya bayima bano ababiri. Kkooti y'ekizudde nti bano baali babadde mikwano gy'okumala ebbanga ddene, era n'ekizuula nti bagwanidde era baali bamanyi obuvunaanyizibwa bwabwe n'emirimu gyabwe gye balina okukola, ate era nga batuuze b'omu kitundu kino n'abuvunaanibwa gy'abeera nti basobola okukola omulimu gwabwe. Kkooti ekkiriza okusaba okweyimirirwa ku bukwakkulizo buno wammanga okusinziira ku kika ky'omusango gubavunaanibwa. Buli avunaanibwa agenda kusasula akakadde kamu mu buliwo. Abaabeeyimirira buli omu ajja kusasula obukadde 5 singa abantu bano babula ne batadda okusasula gavumenti ya Uganda buli omu bano okwatibwa basabiddwa obutafuluma ggwanga. Oyo yenna ayagala okufuluma eggwanga alina okusooka okusaba olukusa okuva eri kooti. Basabiddwa obutalumbagana babavunaana mu ngeri yonna, oba ku mitimbagano oba gye babeera, singa ekyo kooti enakizuula wadde gye bakolera temukkirizibwa kubalumba. Singa kooti enakizuula okweyimirwa kwamwe kujja sazibwamu. Obukwakuliza obwo nga bumaze okutuukiriza, omusango gujja kudda mu kooti nga 13 January omwaka omujja. Rwanda Patrick alias Enddulu.